There's a few ways to hide the recycle bin. There's the quick way and then the better way. You need to make sure that you can access the recycle bin after you remove it. So one thing that we can do is we can make a quick access link from the recycle bin before we hide it. So just take it, right click on it, and then select Pin to Quick Access menu. And there it is. Now that we have access to it, we can remove the recycle bin. Right click on any empty space of your desktop and select Personalize. And click on Themes. Go down to Desktop Icon Settings. And you see that the recycle bin is selected here. Just uncheck it, click Apply, and OK, and it's gone. If you want to bring it back, just do the reverse. Go to Desktop Icon Settings, click on Recycle Bin, click on Apply, and OK. If you still need to empty the trash or recover files, you can still open it in File Explorer. I showed you how to create a recycle bin icon in the Quick Access menu. It's always pinned in File Explorer. So if you go to Home, there's an arrow just to the right of it. If you click that, the recycle bin is always there. So you can always access the recycle bin even if you don't have a desktop icon or if you didn't make a link in the Quick Access menu. If you think other people would find this helpful, can you kindly link the like button so this video is shared with more people? That would really mean a lot to me. So here's a quick alternative to hide the recycle bin. You can right click on any empty space on your desktop and then click View and then Show Desktop Icons. And then they're all gone. To show it back, just right click on the desktop, click View, and click on Show Desktop Icons. And it's back. That's a quick and dirty way to hide all of your icons. Now that you know how to turn off the recycle bin, you might be interested in some of my other how-to videos. There's a link to that playlist at the end of this video. And there's more tutorials on the way. Are you stumped on something? Suggest a topic for the next video in the comments section below. Hopefully this guide's been helpful for you. Stay tuned for more guides and how-to videos on optimizing and customizing your computer. And as always, I appreciate your support and thank you for watching.